Hello everyone, my name is Kai Muggeridge. I'm the project manager for project RWMK-01, the Recycled E-Waste Mechanical Keyboard Production System. Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of my project and explain why it matters. In terms of our product and purpose, our proposed product is a tankless mechanical keyboard, designed and manufactured entirely from recycled ABS plastics and metals, sourced locally from Perth's e-waste stream. The main users are everyday computer users, businesses, schools, and government agencies looking for a high-quality, repairable, and sustainable keyboard. In terms of our sustainability, the keyboard's keycaps and casing are made from recycled ABS plastic pellets, while the backplate and switch components utilize recycled steel, aluminium, and copper. By using these materials, we are diverting significant amounts of electronic waste from landfill, supporting the Western Australia's Waste Strategy 2030 and promoting a local circular economy. In terms of manufacturing at scale, to achieve a large-scale production, we're designing a full production system outlined in the project image. Production system includes the injection molding machine to form keycaps and casings from ABS plastic pellets, CNC machining for recycled metals to create the aluminium backplate, and machining of the switch components and brackets. A laser engraving machine is used for the legend on the keycaps, and finally, a dynamic assembly line is used to build the hot swappable keyboards. At the end of the production, there'll be an automated packaging system after the assembly line to allow for efficient product packaging and delivery. Quality assurance stations will be installed and used to test for the quality of the final product being produced and also to test for the quality of the recycled materials that we are sourcing. All of this is supported by warehousing, logistics, and a pilot run of 1,000 units to test system performance. In terms of our innovation, mechanical keyboards already exist, but none at scale are produced from recycled e-waste. Our design is modular, repairable, and environmentally responsible. Features not commonly found together in today's market. For commercial benefits, the global mechanical keyboard market is worth over 1.7 billion US dollars and growing. By offering a locally made, sustainable alternative, we're tapping into a high-margin, high-growth niche, appealing to eco-conscious buyers and institutional customers who value long life cycles and easy repairs. In summary, Project RWMK-01 is more than just a keyboard. It's a production system that combines engineering, sustainability, and commercial viability to create a product with reliable long-term sales. Our pilot run will validate this system, and from there we can scale up to full production. Thank you for your time and interest in this project.